Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. We have a little bit of a winter warm-up headed your way today and tomorrow, and overall this week will actually trend above normal. We will have conditions look a little bit milder than what we have been over the past couple of days, and we're also going to likely have a little bit of melting occurring and then refreezing, which would mean some icy spots possible in the future over the coming days. Temperatures into the afternoon into the low 30s for a lot of locations. And then as we head into the overnight hours, we kind of drop off only to the upper 20s before we rebound rather quickly by tomorrow morning. Again to the lower 30s. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then for the bulk of the day, staying above normal, it will be a slow process to see those temperatures fall throughout the day tomorrow. The eastern half of the UP will still trend in the lower 30s for tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow afternoon, mainly mid to upper 20s for the western half of the UP. Why is it happening that way? Well, it's all because of this next clipper system that's going to be moving in. So until it clears out, we'll pretty much be in the warm sector of it, meaning that we'll still have the mild air coming in out of the southwest throughout this time period until it finally clears the area. So right now at this moment on the quiet side, we're under a southerly wind flow. It is light in nature, and we're going to see a mix of sun and clouds for today. Wind speeds out of the south around 15 miles per hour into the afternoon. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. At that point in time, we really start to see some of this cloud cover thicken up across the west end. Later on tonight, this is about 11:30, the snow starts to work in. Initially more spotty and scattered about towards early evening, and then we start to see higher intensity during the overnight hours through tomorrow morning. Still overall going to be light snow in nature, but know that tomorrow morning the road commute, your traveling conditions will likely be a little bit slick throughout the morning. And now once it clears out, we start to get the wind flow out of the north and northwest, and that means colder air slowly starts to work in, and lake effect snow then develops for the remainder of the afternoon and evening. This is 7:30. Lake effect will be ongoing to the west and the eastern counties by Thursday around midday, most of which will be coming to an end. But we'll wake up Thursday morning and we'll still have a little light lake effect around near Lake Superior. Some snowfall amounts with this next round, this next clipper system, around 1 to 3 inches of snow for the west and the eastern counties. But some of the higher elevations in the Keweenaw, the higher elevations over into the Porkies, over into parts of Gogebic and Ontonagon counties, western Marquette County and Alger counties, where we start to get that lake effect band developing out of the northwest, will likely exceed 4 inches of snow. And that goes through about Thursday morning. In the meantime, today, not too bad. If you're planning to go to the MTU at NMU hockey game later on this evening, kicking it off around 6:30, temperatures on the mild side. We'll start to see some cloud cover increase. All in all, not too bad. Wind flow will be out of the south about 10 miles per hour. Looking ahead, your Thursday will be around the 20-degree mark. On Fridays, when the next clipper system moves in, this one will be more moderate to heavy, which is why we have the caution sign up here. Day to make note of, especially for the morning. It'll also be above normal in the 30s.